I came to the skate park today thinking that I was gonna be like John Hill and shred the park up and film a video and should be done like no problem, but I'm not John Hill, and dude, this thing is a lot harder than it looks, but I'm still having fun. I'm still happy. I just wish that I had some friends. I wish I had friends to also help me get clips. It sucks just being the only person to be in the video and to have to set up the camera and always film myself. Just doing all the work by myself kind of sucks. So wish I had some friends, you know, but it's all good. Still having fun. Alright guys, voiceover wave coming through in the mix, and this is the point of my day where I kind of just chill out for a while, cool down after being in the sun for so long, and just hang out with my dog for a little. And this is also the point of my day where I kind of just clean up my room, so put things away, like tons and tons of extra grip tape. You guys already know I have so many of these at this point that right now I don't even know what I want to do with them just yet, so they're just gonna live in my drawer for now, along with tons and tons of extra skate parts that I also have no idea what I want to do with just yet. So these are also gonna live in my drawer. And also some extra shoelaces. Shout outs to Christian Flores, man. He makes some phenomenal shoelaces that just never rip ever. They last for freaking ever, dude, seriously. But now we're gonna move on to folding some t-shirts with this thing that I like to call the t-shirt folder 9000, man. This thing is super convenient. It just makes my t-shirts come out super crisp and super nice, and it just makes my life so much easier when it comes to just keeping my clothes organized, or at least my t-shirts are organized. And yeah, I usually use this thing while I watch anime, or if I'm listening to a super sick playlist or something like that, and it just helps me keep my room clean as I'm having a good time. It just makes my life so much more easier. So there you have it. There's all my t-shirts folded up together, and now the mission is to stick them into my dresser. But as you can see, I have no room in my dresser. I have too many t-shirts, and it's just a situation for me. I'm gonna have to do something, whether that's get a new dresser or give up some of my old t-shirts and maybe sell them to you guys, or give you guys the opportunity to win them or something like that. So yeah, there you have it. There's my situation going on, but this is me working. This is me trying to keep my business clean, trying to clean up my station, my area. You know, this is where I edit videos, where I create, where I brainstorm and things like that. So having a clean space really inspires me, and it helps me to keep a creative mind. So this is me working on my space, you know, on the outside, but it helps me to keep it clean on the inside. You know, it helps me to clear my mind when I have a clear desk and things like that. And also I'm watching One Piece, you know, gotta try to catch up. The One Piece is real. But also, not only cleaning my desk, we have to also clean the floor. So I had to vacuum up the Charizard rug, Kakashi's face, you know, just keep it nice and crisp. I also like to open up a window, and just makes my room feel super fresh and clean. It just feels really good to just have a nice, clear, clean space, and just makes me feel productive. But now we're going out to a super nice dinner. My brother is actually getting married, so we went out to a really nice restaurant. This is Texas de Brazil, and if you've never been here before, then the gist of it is that they have workers who walk around with giant skewers of meat, and then they just cut it off onto your plate. And usually they'll have different types of meat, so they'll have chicken, lamb, whatever you can think of, but they'll just plop it onto your plate, and you guys can already tell that just by looking at it, the food is just so phenomenal. And of course, this is not a cheap restaurant, but it was definitely worth it, worth spending the time with my family and just enjoying the night, hanging around people that I love. And yeah, so alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the adventure. This was kind of like a day in my life, but of course not every single day is like this. This one was just a bit of a special one. We went out to a nice dinner and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully more adventures like this coming soon. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent with the longer form videos along with the short form content as well, so bear with me. I'm trying my best, but thank you guys. Don't forget to drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.